Welcome to another day on our farmhouse in Bulgaria. So do you know that feeling that sometimes you want to do so many things, you feel like doing so many things, but you don't know where to start? Well, that's me today. I'm sitting here and I'm enjoying the sunshine and I'm enjoying the place that we have purchased for 8,000 euros. And I'm sitting thinking, where am I going to start today? Because I want to do so many things. So I come from the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands we have a normal city house where the houses are, stuck to each other. And I've always been dreaming about a farmhouse, and I always wanted to have the space because we are dealing with some mental issues, and for us to be on crowded places is just very hard. It always has been, and I was always dreaming about this kind of life. So a few years ago, I started saving up stuff to get a farmhouse. I started canning and, preserving foods at home and pressure canning and, growing plants in the garden in our city house. But the weather wasn't that good, so I couldn't. To me, it just didn't work for me, and I really believed that there was a better way for me. So I'm a Christian, and I really started praying about it and asking God, what can we do? So when I was scrolling online, I started noticing that there were houses in Bulgaria for really low prices. And at first, my husband said, no way, I'm not going there. I want to stay here. But when I showed him the places that were available here, he started seeing the opportunities that are here. So last year in 2024, we decided to go to Bulgaria and just have a look out there. Wow, Bulgaria is gorgeous. You have waterfalls, mountains, beaches if you want to. I mean, you can even go skiing. Everything that you want is here in Bulgaria. And the houses are in many villages, they are abandoned. Reason being is that many of the young people in the villages, they want to leave and they want to go to the bigger cities to make money and to go to school and all kinds of reasons, of course. So many of those farmhouses, which you can see here, they are like totally abandoned and not many people. There are living people here, but more elderly people and some young people, of course. But many houses, they are empty and they are being sold for really not so much. So we fell in love with Bulgaria. I mean, whenever we were here, it was so gorgeous. Of course, the language is an issue because we don't know Cyrillic, we don't know the language yet, but we are starting to learn, of course. And then, when we were here, we decided to purchase this property with 1,100 square meters of ground. Of course, there's a lot of work to do here, but in the holidays or just to be here, sometimes for now, it's really nice and we're really enjoying ourselves here. Maybe in the future we could even stay here. I don't know what God has for us, but it's such a great opportunity. And that's what I wanted to share. And like now I am here and I'm thinking, what am I going to do? Because I want to do some seeds. I want to, clean the garden a little more. There is so much opportunity, but it is so nice and peaceful here. And I'm just enjoying myself and just relaxing a little bit and just, accepting that I don't have to do something all the time. That's just how it is. Sometimes when you are living in a place in the Netherlands like where we live, it feels like you have to run the whole time. To me it does. And now it's just, listen. it's so peaceful and so quiet. And I'm just enjoying the sun, and it's so gorgeous here. So for everybody who is thinking about or dreaming about having a farmhouse, why not just check it out? Go and have a look in Bulgaria. Check online. You have to make sure you go to the right realtor, of course. But if you want to learn more about that, I can always show you and tell you where you should go. So if you have anything, if you want to ask anything to me, just comment in the comment box, and please give me tap the screen to like my videos, so that would really help me out. And follow me if you want to see more about our adventures here in Bulgaria. God bless you, everybody, and I hope you will have a lovely day. Bye.